Ever wondered what a T-Rex sounded like or how Saturn sings? Today, we'll explore real scientifically reconstructed sounds, from dinosaur roars to eerie space recordings. Let's dive in. Paleontologists recreated the T-Rex's roar, using its bone structure and comparisons to modern animals, like crocodiles and birds. This lab-generated sound will blow your mind. Ready? In 2022, NASA's Perseverance rover captured Martian winds. With its thin atmosphere, Mars sounds like a haunted desert. Listen closely. NASA transformed Saturn's radio emissions into sound. The result? A symphony that sounds like it's straight from a cosmic horror movie. Meet Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying creature ever. With a wingspan of 12 meters, scientists recreated its call using bat and eagle vocalizations. Imagine hearing this while it hunts. In 1997, scientists detected the bloop, an ultra-low-frequency sound in the Pacific Ocean. Some thought it was a colossal sea monster, but today we know it was likely ice cracking. Or was it? The year is 1883. The Krakatoa volcano erupts with unimaginable fury. The explosion is so powerful it is heard over 3,000 miles away. skies darken, the earth trembles, and in an instant over 36,000 lives vanish into nature's wrath. From the depths of the ocean to the very heart of the earth, the sounds of the abyss remind us that there are things we still do not understand, and perhaps things we were never meant to hear. The eerie wail of tornado sirens is designed to alert people of approaching storms. It's a sound that instantly triggers fear. The sound can travel up to 5 kilometers and is meant to be impossible to ignore. Imagine being here. NASA has converted the sun's vibrations into sound, creating a deep, resonant hum. It's both mesmerizing and eerie. The sun's sound waves are too low for humans to hear naturally, so they've been sped up 42,000 times. And there you have it, folks. The most terrifying and fascinating sounds that exist in our world and beyond. Which one scared you the most? The roar of the T-Rex, the moan of Mars, or perhaps the chilling sound of the sun? Leave me your answers in the comments. I want to know which one kept you awake at night. If you like this journey through the creepiest sounds of real life, don't forget to like the video and share it with that friend who loves the paranormal. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's a lot more content like this on the way, and you don't want to miss it. Remember to turn on the little bell so YouTube will alert you every time we upload a new video. And if you want more terror, leave me in the comments what other mysteries or sounds you'd like to explore in future videos. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the darker, more mysterious side of the universe. See you in the next video, and remember, don't listen to this at night.